Hey everybody, this is an M1 Carbine that I have my hands on. It's an IBM. It's around a 3.9 million, so it puts it in the around, I think it's May of 44. It's going to be a quick video, just a breakdown and reassemble of it. First things first, always make sure it's clear. Got the strap in the front, pop it loose. From right here, you have a bolt here. You want to loosen it up. You don't need to take it all the way out, just loosen it up. This thing's also designed that you can use a spent shell case if you want to loosen it up. And once you got it loose, a little spring here, just push it down, slide it forward. When that's slid forward, you can take your top handrail off, handguard off. Now some people, there's a bolt right here. They'll start unloosening that. You don't even touch that. That's just a mount on your stock. Just pick this straight up. It comes round on out. Now for this, take the spring out first. Just take it out, pull a little bit to the side, pull it out. And then I take the trigger assembly out first. You got a pin right here. It's flared on one side because you can only go in one way and come out one way. Just pop it through. Take your pin out. And your trigger assembly. Pull straight back, comes right off. Now for your op rod, you got a groove right here, and you got a groove up on top. Pull it, normally I pop the top out first, then line up the bottom groove, rotate it off, that just pops right on out. Now so for your bolt, fairly similar to the M1 Garand, you just pull it out, turn it maybe 45 degrees, and it should come on out. And then we have to have it out. I'll clean it up. Got a couple channels here. I put a lot of grease in. Grease the channels here, and side channels. Another channel on this side. I look for any spots that have any wear and tear in it. Like right here on top where the bolt will slide in. Same thing as the Garand on top of the action. We have the receiver right here. Put a little bit of grease right there where the lugs go. Just make sure you get those channels real good. Now to put this thing all back together, I always start with the bolt. Drop the bolt in. Get the op rod. I always start with the bottom first. First I line up the bolt in that little channel right there. And I kind of line up the bottom part. Slide that in. And make sure your top part's in good. And just want to make sure it moves nice and freely. Next thing I put in the trigger assembly. Same as how you took it off. You slide it forward. Line up the holes. Your pin only can go in one way because it's flared on one side. Just drop it in. And you put your spring back in. There's a little hole right there that it goes into. Slides right back into the stock. Handguard on. Slide it forward until it locks in that little spring. There you go. Tighten down this front screw again. Connect your strap. It's a nice old strap. There you go. Well, M1 Carbine. Same sort of thing, same with a Grand. I don't like leaving spring tension on the hammer. You pull it back till you start feeling it click. You feel it click, pull the trigger, and your hammer drops. So when you start feeling like a little bit of resistance, pull your trigger, now your hammer's been released, comes down with a bolt. That's the way I like to store them. It's a pretty nice little M1 Carbine. As I say, it's an IBM. Well, there's a little quick video. I'm going to make another video of it, me breaking it down and really looking over it, trying to find all the cartouches, any marks on it. That's a quick video on how to break it down and put it back together. Thanks for watching.